To attempt question involving chemical reaction, the first thing to do is to write out the chemical equation showing the reaction between the compounds involved. And here we have calcium trioxocarbonate 4 reacting with hydrochloric acid. So let's write out the chemical equation showing the reaction. So looking at this equation, we'll discover it is not balanced here because hydrogen here is 1 and here we have 2. So let's try to balance. If we add 2 here, hydrogen is balanced, chlorine is balanced as well, calcium is balanced, carbon balanced, then oxygen balanced as well. Now after writing out the chemical equation, let's go back to the question. In the question we have to determine the volume of gas evolved. So what is the gas evolved here? The gas evolved is carbon dioxide at s.t.p. And at s.t.p, the molar volume of a gas is 22.4 dm³. So to determine the volume of the gas at s.t.p, we need to know the number of moles of the gas that was evolved. Meanwhile, we are given the mass of calcium trioxocarbonate 4 that was added. So from there, let's calculate the number of moles of calcium trioxocarbonate 4 first. Then we can now determine the number of moles, and from there go to the final step of the volume of the gas evolved. So let's start. Calcium trioxocarbonate 4, the molar mass of calcium trioxocarbonate 4 equals the sum of the atomic mass of the elements present. So for calcium we have 40, the atomic mass of calcium is 40. Then carbon we have 12, oxygen is given to be 16. We have 3 atoms present, that's 3 times 16. So adding this, we have 40 plus 12 plus 48, which is equivalent to 100 grams per mole. So we've gotten this to be 100 grams per mole. Then the mass of calcium trioxocarbonate 4 from the question is given to be 2 grams. So now the next thing is to calculate the number of moles using the formula that says moles equals mass over molar mass. Substituting the values here, the mass is 2 grams, and the molar mass we've gotten that to be 100 grams per mole, the unit. Calculating this, we have 0.02, and we'll be having our unit to be moles. So from the equation above, we can conclude that 1 mole, that is the coefficient of calcium trioxocarbonate 4 here, 1 moles of calcium trioxocarbonate 4 will yield 1 moles of carbon dioxide. So if we have 0.02 moles of calcium trioxocarbonate 4, definitely we'll be having 0.02 moles of carbon dioxide as well. So now that we've gotten the number of moles of carbon dioxide, then we can proceed to calculate the volume. So in solving for the volume, we can make use of the relationship saying that 1 mole of calcium trioxocarbonate 4 will yield 1 mole of carbon dioxide, and at s.t.p 1 mole of gas contains 22.4 dm³. So here we'll just say 22.4 dm³ of carbon dioxide. So if we have 0.02 moles of calcium trioxocarbonate 4, x dm³ of carbon dioxide will be produced. From here, let's solve for x, making x the subject. X equals 0.02 divided by 22.4 divided by 1, and this is equivalent to 0.448. Our unit in dm³. So from dm³ we can convert to centimeter cube by multiplying by 1000. So here we have 448 centimeter cube, which should be serving as the final answer. With this, we've come to the end of the solution to the question, and we've gotten the volume of gas that will be evolved at s.t.p to be 448 centimeter cube, and that will be all. Do wait to subscribe for more if you find this video helpful.